Hello and welcome to our Hema Foundation. I, Vidushi Daga, welcome you to another super session where I am going to teach you how cleanliness as a value can be integrated with technology, and we are clean not only by our mind, our body, our soul, but also a clean and a beautiful character. So come on, let us quickly get on to learning clean technology, as in how we can make sure that when we are coding, when we are writing something, it is clear and neat coding. At the same time, our mind is clear of the goal that you want to achieve, as in what is the outcome that you want. So have you done proper planning, and is your mind clean enough with all the other different muck and making sure that you are seeing nothing but only your goal? So let us start today's session where I am going to teach you something called Google Docs. It is beautiful. Okay, so I will just show you how to go on it. Simply go on Google. Now when you go on Google, there is something which Google has in store and it is beautiful. What we all say, Google is nothing but इच्छाधारी भगवान, जो मांगो Google से मिल जाता है. The same way, when we say that I want to create something which I can have access to anywhere at any point of time, I use Google Docs. Now Google Docs is nothing but similar to Microsoft Word. Let me show you how. On the top right side, again you will see these 9 dots. Alright, you just have to click here. Now these are the different apps that Google has created for us, and trust me, they are very useful in our day-to-day lives. I want you to find Docs. Simple, just go down, scroll down, get Docs and then click over here. Now when you will click over here, a blank sheet over here, just click on. So these are all the previous docs created by me. If you are new to Google Docs, then a simple blank sheet can be shown. Now before we go ahead, I want to show you a little advanced thing, that is template gallery. Now when you click on template gallery, you will see that Google Docs is already giving you ready templates. Like you can make your notes, you can make your resume, you can make a lesson plan. If you are looking to write a letter, every single thing has a template. In fact, your letterheads, etc. is all there. Okay, let's say I want to start from scratch with a blank new plain document. Okay, now I want to start writing on the document about cleanliness. Now Google Docs is, as I said, similar to Microsoft Word, and we have done Microsoft Word before. So I am just going to show you that. Let me see, we have just started typing, let's say. Okay, so this is what I have typed and kept. Now cleanliness is godliness. Let's say I have written that. Okay, some few quick tools I want to teach you is I can make it bold. Alright, just keep on seeing what is happening over here. I can make it italic. I can make it underline. Okay, I can make it bigger. Alright, I can also change the font. See over here. Okay, now when I make it bigger, I can use this plus sign, or I can simply select the size I want. I can make it center align, I can make it left align, right align, middle align, and so on. Alright, everybody is clear till here? I can also change the text color. Let's say I made it red. Okay, and I can highlight the background to yellow. See, I hope it's visible to each and every one of you. So what all did I do? In this tab, I use different features like bold, italic, underline, red color, yellow highlighting background, and I showed you alignment. Similarly, I can add some bullet points. I can also add the numbers as bullet points and so on. Okay, there is one thing now. these all things are simple, but there are a few important points I want to teach you that will also help you in your day-to-day life. Now let us say I want to teach you how to insert an image. It is really simple. Just go on to the top tab. Can you see this insert button? Click over here. It says image. Okay. Insert means whatever you wish to put inside your document. Okay. Now you say you want to upload this from your computer. You just click if the image is saved on your computer. Click there. Now let us say it is saved on my desktop and here is my image and I click on open. Now can you see that the image has come in on the document? Okay. Similarly, I can make the image big, small, however I wish to. Alright. Now let's go on the next important thing that I want to teach you. Very interesting, and this will also help you in your everyday life. I want to teach you something called voice typing. Now when I am typing in English, okay, but sometimes I need to also type in Hindi. So you go on tools. Can you see voice typing, everyone? Okay. Now when I do voice typing, I can just simply go tools, click on voice typing, and then this mic will appear. Okay. Now when I start typing, hello everyone. Sorry. Now when I start typing, it will be very simple. For example, hello everyone. My name is Vidushi Daga. How are you doing today? Okay, simple. So this is how you do voice typing in English. Now let's say I want to do voice typing in Hindi. So again, simple, take this drop down arrow. Okay. Now when you take this drop down arrow, you can actually choose the language you wish to type in. So let's say I wish to type in Hindi. Okay, here. So you can see there are different choices like Hindi, Marathi, Nepali, so on. I will say Hindi. Okay. Now just see the magic. It is wonderful. I will just go. Namaste. आप कैसे हैं और आप मुंबई कब आएंगे? यहाँ का जो वेदर है वो बहुत ही सुहाना हो गया है और ठंडी यहाँ कम पड़ती है। स्वच्छता पे लोग बहुत ध्यान दे रहे हैं और हमें अपने आसपास की सफाई पर बहुत ध्यान रखना चाहिए। So didn't you see the magic, everybody? I was just talking and the document was typing. I would request you to go and see the tools by yourself. But most of all, I want to teach you the share button. As in, I have written this note. Okay. Now I want to share it with my friend. So rather than emailing, what I just press is the share button. Before pressing the share button, let me give a title, that is cleanliness. Okay. Now when I click on the share button, I want to share it with a friend who can open and make changes in the document also. So let's say I want to share it with Sudarshan Daga. Now in case you don't want the person to make the changes, you can just give viewer rights. So then whomever this document is shared with can only see the document. Alright. Now in case you want them to only comment, that they cannot make changes but they can only comment on the document, then there is the commenter rights. And last but not the least, if you want to give them the rights to even edit on the document, then you have to give the editor rights and then just press send. Now when you press send, an email will go to my friend Sudarshan or to any of your friends whom you are sharing with, and they can open in their mailbox and there they can make different changes which will also be reflected in this document itself. Alright, so Google Docs is equal to Microsoft Word, a place where you can do all your work, make notes, you can make files, that is very important, insert pictures, do voice typing, and trust me, it is a very useful tool for your day and night. So I request all of you अपने आसपास की स्वच्छता बनाए रखें, प्रैक्टिस करना ना भूलें, क्योंकि ये जो गूगल डॉक्स है ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट और फ्यूचरिस्टिक टूल है जो मैंने आपको आज सिखाया है. Alright, I have taught you this tool to ensure that you are future ready. So all the best everyone, stay clean, stay healthy and have a beautiful character. Namaste.